Have a nice day to all my friend. I will tell you today on my video how to check a LED bulb. I brought in the previous video how to test a diode. LED is meaning light emitting diode. It is diode. There is in different LED bulb in the market. So this is anode and cathode. This is anode pin. This pin is long. This is cathode pin. This pin is short. So select the diode function. So let's check in the way we check a diode. The long pin is positive pin. Short pin is negative pin. Put the two probe of multimeter into the two pin of LED bulb. So you can see the LED that flashes. This way is checking the LED bulb. If no flashing, it is not good. So I will go and come. See you again from next video. Good day for everyone. Thank you all my friend.